Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Java 17 on Windows 10 64-bit. So Java 17 released. Let us quickly see how we can easily install it. So at first go to the browser. Herein type Oracle Java. Press enter. On pressing enter you can see the official website is visible, oracle.com/java. You just need to click on it. Click here. Now you can see the official website is visible. Click on download Java. Herein you can see all the downloads are visible. We will also mention this link in the description. Now below you can see Java 17 LTS. LTS means long-term support is available now. Go below. Herein you can see Java 17 for Linux, Mac OS as well as Windows is visible. We want for Windows 10, so I'll click here. On clicking you can see the compressed archive installer as well as MSI installer is visible, and x64 means it is for 64-bit Windows 10 operating system. So I'll go here, I want this, I want the exe file. Here it is, you can see the link. When I'll click here it will start downloading. I'll just click here, it's only 151 MB, click on it. Now you can see the download started. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, as you can see here, we have successfully downloaded Java 17. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. Guys, now you can see the installation started. Click on next. Now you can see our Java 17 will get installed under program files. Java directory it will create on its own. It will take 420 MB of space. If you want to change the location you can click on change, but I'll keep the default, so I'll click on cancel. Now let us click on next. So it will create a JDK folder also within the Java directory. So nowadays you don't need JRE. So as you can read here, under JDK JRE is provided, so we don't need to add it separately. That's it. Click on next. Now the installation started. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see we have successfully installed. It is written here. Click on close. Now we need to set the path. Before that we need to know that where we installed Java. We installed in C drive, program files, and herein you can see Java folder got created. Double click on it. Here it is, JDK 17, and here is the path. Here is the bin path also. So you just need to copy this path. Right click and copy. That's it. Now go to start, type environment variables, since we need to set the environment. After that you can see edit the system environment variables are visible. Click on open here. Now you can see under system properties advanced, click on environment variables. Now here are all the paths set on the system. Go for system variables because it will set the path for the entire system. This will avoid any future path conflicts. So herein you can see path is visible. Select it and double click on it. I just double clicked. You can see all the paths are set here. Now we need to add a new path, so obviously we will click on new. On clicking new, you need to paste the path copied before. Right click, paste. That's it. You can see we have pasted it. Now I'll just click on OK. OK and the last OK. That means we have successfully set the path. Now let us see that we have successfully installed Java or not, Java 17 or not. Go to start, type cmd, click on open here to open the command prompt. Here is the command prompt. Now herein we need to check that we have successfully installed Java or not. For that type the command java space -- version and press enter. Herein you can see Java 17. It released today 14 September and we have installed it. This is Java 17 long-term support LTS, and rest of the details are visible. So you have installed Java, that means JDK and JRE you have installed it. Now we will see how we can run our first Java program after installing it. For that guys, what you can do, you can create a folder anywhere. Let's say I'll create a file or folder here. I'll create a folder. Let's say the name I'll give is Amit programs. Okay, now I'll double click, right click here, go to new, create a text document. Now I'll name it, let's say I'll name it to demo dot, I'll change the extension by removing TST and typing Java. because I hope you know for Java program we need to have a .java extension file. Now when I'll keep the cursor here or press enter, it will ask that you need to change the file extension or not. Let's do it. Herein you can see you want to change the file extension, you want to change it. Yes. Now we have a Java file. Herein you can see it is written Java source file. When you keep the cursor, you can see it is a Java source file. Right click and open with any editor. You can open with Notepad from here, or you can open with any editor like Notepad++. I'll open with Notepad++. Now here it is guys. Now we will run our first Java program. Always remember guys, the name of the class here should be same with the name of the Java file. That means demo.java means our class will be demo. Now let's write a quick code. So guys, now you can see we wrote our first program. So here it is. Class name is demo. Within public static void main we wrote this. We wrote 2 lines for printing. System.out.println is used for printing. Herein string args is basically for command line arguments. If you want to learn more about command line arguments, you can refer the link in the description of this video. So we wrote 2 lines. We will print this Studypedia Java 17 tutorial and our first Java 17 program. Herein you can see, now I'll go to file and save it. File save. Now we have this link on the desktop. Minimize this. Herein this is the path. Copy this path. Now go here. First we will reach the desktop, or we can straight away go to the file by just copying this path. So I guess this is the best way, right? Minimize. Now, since we are changing the path, I'll write cd, that is change directory. When I'll right click, it will automatically paste the same path. Herein you can see it has pasted the same path. Press enter. Now you can see we have reached the Amit programs. Now type dir command. Herein you can see dir command shows that Amit programs is having demo.java file. Here it is. Here it is visible at demo.java. Now to run your first Java program, type java c demo.java, the file name. Here java c means Java compiler. Press enter. Herein you can see we did an error. So go to the code. Herein you can see we missed a parenthesis. Now it's fine. Go to file, save. Now since we did the changes, we need to compile it again. Type the same java c space demo.java and press enter. Now you can see there is no error. We successfully compiled it. Now to run it, type java space demo, that's it, and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see we successfully ran our first Java program. Herein you can see both the lines are visible here, printed successfully. So guys, in this video we saw how we can successfully download and install Java 17 on Windows 10. We also ran our first Java program. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.